so we're just coming in here and I've painted a nice bright pink to make the nails pop on all the nails, and 2 feature nails are going to be painted white. Now what I'm doing is going in and just painting some hearts just scattered across for our candy hearts. So just going in, just painting some nice different colors, whatever you'd like to do. I've chosen like a selection of blues, whites and pinks, and then you're just going in and just, yeah, I've got some purple on here, and then you're going in, curing for 10 seconds just to make sure that the gel polish does not move around and flood the nail as you're painting. So go in just to some nice thin layers of love hearts and then cure for 10 seconds, bring it out, and then go in and then just, you might have to do another 2 coats just to make that color look really bold on the nails for the hearts to stand out. I'm then coming in with the little striper brush and putting in just some little letters. So I've got XOXO, love me, bite me. You could just be creative with whatever you'd like to put on these little candy hearts. Now keep in mind it is teeny tiny, so you don't want words that are too big or you're going to run out of space on the nail. Making sure you're using something like a pot gel paint if you can, or a more thicker kind of gel for something like this. Otherwise your writing is just going to run everywhere. So that does kind of help with the process. I'm then coming in and doing a different color on one of the other nails. I've chosen like a bit of a blue to match one of my blue hearts. It kind of, you can literally go with any color palette that you like, but because I've got some blue hearts, I just want to go in and put some blue writing, or you might just want to stick to all white or black, whatever you choose. Now I'm coming in and just lining the hearts with a really thin layer of black to make those hearts stand out. Anything with black around it is just like a photo frame. It really frames your work and makes it pop. So I'm putting the thin black line around, and I've also just kind of doubled up just on the top of the heart just to make it look almost like a little bit 3D. I'm coming in now and I'm just painting in some V-Day 2020. With this, it's almost like a spray paint effect, so you can literally be really creative with this and just come in, do a bit of messy running writing to get that really nice graffiti kind of look. Now I'm using a pink, and I'm soon going to come in, so I'm going to use a pink, cure for 10 seconds, and then I'm soon going to come in and put a white over the top just to kind of make it look a little bit more 3-dimensional. Now those little nails there that you see I done a bit earlier, so they were painted white and literally just some nice brown stripes just to give that nice kind of brick effect, and we're going to make it look a little bit more graffiti very soon, so we'll show you. So just take your time doing long strokes. Graffiti is a fairly messy look, so we might do another tutorial on here on how to get that effect alone, just on one set of nails. But yeah, so I'm coming in now and I've actually just mixed a bit of pigment with some base coat. And I've got a bit of a makeup sponge, and I'm just dabbing just in certain parts of the white nail a bit of this bright pink to make it almost look a little bit kind of, I guess, like a spray painted wall, a little bit messy, a little bit kind of a few splotches of pink everywhere. And now this is the part where I'm coming in and I'm outlining it all in a nice white base. You put 2 colours against each other and it really makes it pop. White and pink go really nice together. So if I kind of put a small tiny white thin line over that pink, it's going to make the V-Day 21 letters really stand out. And then of course I just wanted to show you just at the end, making sure that you're also capping that little heart that's on that graffiti wall with the black as well, like the rest. So they all should be capped with a black outline. You should have your little words in there by now, whatever you've chosen. You'll have your little spray paint graffiti, whatever you'd like to write. You could write your partner's name, have a bit of fun with it, your date's name. I've chosen to put V-Day 2K21. And there you go. I've placed a matte top coat over them all, given a white with IPA alcohol, and this is the effect. Give it a try. Any questions that you have, please place in the comments below, and I'll make sure I get back to you.